Is there a general rule of thumb for how much a brand should spend on their finance team?
As a rule of thumb, typically you'd expect to spend something between 1 and 3% of revenue. But as we've been talking about in this session, complexity is going to impact that. So if your revenue's lower, but you've got a complex business, then you'd expect that to push on the higher side. If you've got a more simple business, then you might be at the lower end of that. And then sometimes finance costs will step up. So if you hire a full-time role, that's going to be a big jump. And so that'll skew your percentage as well. But I think that's a nice rule of thumb. And then you can think about whether your financing requirements are fairly standard, or if you're expecting more than a typical business of your size, that you might be pushing beyond that rule of thumb.